In these videos, you will learn English by looking at real-life pictures. We describe what's happening in each image, using simple words and clear sentences. This helps you build useful vocabulary and understand natural English. You will also learn how to talk about everyday situations with confidence. Along the way, we include basic grammar tips and common sentence patterns. Everything is spoken slowly and clearly, so it's easy to follow and repeat. This way, you can practice speaking, listening, and thinking in English, step by step. After listening to the text, we would like to hear from you. How would you describe this picture in your own words? Share your ideas in the comments and practice writing in English. Let's get started.
This picture shows a man dropping two children off at school. He is standing next to a red car with the front door open. The man is smiling and gently touching the boy's shoulder. He looks happy and proud. The boy has short blonde hair and is wearing a red school sweater. He is facing the man and listening to him. Next to them, a young girl is also wearing a red school sweater. She has curly hair and is holding a dark blue school bag. She is smiling and looking at the man. All three of them are standing on a sidewalk near a brick wall. There are green leaves and ivy growing on the wall. In the background, we see many trees with green and yellow leaves. The sunlight is shining through the leaves, making the scene bright. This looks like a warm and peaceful morning. The children are probably on their way to school. The man could be their father or family member. He is likely saying goodbye and wishing them a good day. The children seem excited and ready to learn. This moment shows care and routine in a family's life. It also shows how important it is to support children before school. A short goodbye and a smile can make a child feel more confident. This small action can give them a positive start to the day. The picture feels natural and full of warmth. It reminds us how powerful simple daily moments can be. Even a ride to school can be a chance to connect and show love. This image speaks of family, support, and the joy of growing up.